If you own an iPhone, stop scrolling for 30 seconds. I'm about to show you one hidden feature that can replace several apps on your phone. Watch this. I type Lakers versus Celtics and instantly get the live score. No sports app, no Safari, just Spotlight. And that's only the beginning. Most people think Spotlight is only for finding apps. That's probably what you've been using it for too. But hidden inside this tiny search bar are tools for live sports, flight tracking, currency conversion, AI photo search, instant calls, world clocks, and much more. By the end of this video, you'll wonder why Apple never talks about it. Feature 1. Live Sports. Let's start with something almost nobody knows. Swipe down and type the names of two teams, like Lakers versus Celtics or Real Madrid versus Barcelona. Within seconds, Spotlight shows the live score, match progress, and game details, all without opening a single app. If you only check scores, this alone can save you from installing another sports app. Feature 2. Live Currency Converter. Shopping online? Traveling abroad? Instead of opening Google or a currency converter, just type something like $100 to UR or $100 to JPY. Spotlight instantly shows the latest exchange rate right below your search. Fast, simple, and already built into your iPhone. Feature 3. Flight Tracker. Here's another one that's incredibly useful. Instead of digging through confirmation emails or downloading airline apps, just type your flight number. For example, EK 201. Immediately, Spotlight displays your live flight status, departure time, arrival time, terminal, gate information, and any delays. It's like having a flight tracker without installing one. Feature 4. Smart Unit Conversions. Need to convert measurements? Type 3 meters, 5 kilograms, or 80 Fahrenheit. Spotlight instantly converts them into the units you need. Perfect for recipes, homework, travel, or quick calculations. No calculator, no Google, just type. Feature 5. Call contacts instantly. This one saves me time almost every day. Instead of opening the phone app, finding contacts, and scrolling forever, swipe down. Type mom, dad, or any contact's name. Tap the call button. Done. You're calling them in seconds. Feature 6. AI Photo Search. Now here's my favorite. Imagine you have thousands of photos. Finding one feels impossible. But Spotlight uses Apple's on-device intelligence to understand what's actually inside your pictures. Type cat. Every photo with a cat appears. Type beach. Every beach photo appears. It even recognizes text. So if you search for a word from an old receipt, document, or screenshot, Spotlight can find that image almost instantly. Honestly, this feels like magic. Feature 7. World Clock. One last trick. Need to know the time in another country? Instead of opening the clock app, simply type London time, Tokyo time, or any city. You'll instantly see the current local time and the time difference. Perfect before making international calls or scheduling meetings. And all of this has been hiding inside your iPhone the entire time. No extra apps, no subscriptions, no complicated setup. So here's my challenge. Open Spotlight right now and try just one of these tricks. I guarantee you'll discover something you didn't know your iPhone could do. If this video taught you even one new feature, send it to another iPhone user. They'll probably be just as surprised. And for more hidden iPhone tips that actually make your life easier, don't forget to subscribe to Pixel and Pod. I'll see you in the next one.